Friends, subscribers, and internet strangers, what's up? So here I am in the Zilke International headquarters. Bearded Picker Land, as it should be done. Going to do a little bit of a haul video, but going to do this one a touch different. Going to try to use the video to help inspire me to get this stuff listed. So I'm going to show you the items, and then hopefully I will sprinkle in the listing pages throughout this video to show you what they listed for. And so without further ado, we only had 12 yard sales yesterday and a couple 3 or 4 estate sales, but we went anyway. All right, the first item up, it is a Panasonic fax machine. It's all of it's there. It looks like it's new. It's definitely been used. I paid $7.50 for it. I'm not exactly sure what I'm gonna list it for. I know if it was new, open box, I could get 140, 150. I'm thinking 40 or 50 bucks for it. And then since it's already been shipped, you can see here, it's already been shipped once in this box. I'll just ship it again in this box. I'll make a note in the listing. It'll be shipped in this box. So so that one, it was all wrapped up. I thought it was new, and then it wasn't. So we're gonna come around here. This Smith Corona typewriter. It is a SD 650. It says 8 on it. I got it for 5. So I think it's worth 50 or 60. It's got a high sell-through rate. So I expect it to go pretty quick. All right, I got a bunch of DVDs for $1 each. Sopranos. That's the first season. Meet the Parents, as good as it gets. I didn't look them up. I figured they're worth $2 or $3 each. Profit, most likely on Amazon. Andy Griffith Show, I brought that for my brother-in-law. He loves Andy Griffith. And that's the complete 5th season. You've Got Style. I don't even know what the hell that is. There's the Sopranos again. It's sad that this thing sells for so little, and it was originally 54 bucks. There were 10 of these, so oh, here they are. Here's the rest of them. Walter Line, that's the Johnny Cash story. Deadly Choice, don't know what it is. Oops, discounted right now. That's Mad Men season 2 and seasons 1 and 2. I'll lot them together on eBay. Let's see, what do we got here? We got this Wii, and we got that Wii right there. They're both complete. They've got all their power cords and all that crazy stuff too, and they've all got nunchucks. So I got that Wii, the case, a pair of gloves because I was cold, and a 1 terabyte hard drive, external hard drive. I gave him 20 bucks for that. Let's see, that Wii there, it came with those 3 guitars. 2 of them are Wii guitars, and one of them is the PS2 guitar, and the Fender Stratocaster. And everybody, first question I get is, man, did you get the dongle? I got this bag of stuff, and as you can see right there, there's the dongle for the guitar. I got that Wii, all those guitars, Wii Fit board, and there's the stand, controller, 2 controllers, the sticks. I got all that for 20. I gave at an estate sale. Do I even have to tell you the brand on this sucker here? Sony sales. Hadn't decided whether I'm actually gonna sell this or not. This one was half price, so it was $20. So it was 10 bucks. The nice thing about this big one is I'll get an adapter if I keep it to play my iPhone on it, because it doesn't have a lightning adapter. It's got a power cord with it. It's down there in the bag. But being Bluetooth, it'll connect to anything. Plus, it's really, really nice. So I haven't tried to see if it works yet. So Still thinking about keeping this one. Unless I look it up and if it's more than $30, it'll be down the road. I don't love anything that much. What's behind here? Got that one and that one for $1. They're expired. I don't know what they're worth. I got this Zenith VCR because, you know, I need another VCR for $5 because it had it's got the remote with it. So that's why I bought it. I bought this TomTom Go-Go. I don't know why I bought it. I can tell you why I probably bought it. Because it was $2. It's got to be worth $2, right? Let's hope. I didn't look up the model. I didn't even unwind it. For $2, I just bought it. Sometimes you just buy things, right? Alright, what's this? I gave 50 cents for some pink Confu paper. Couldn't find it anywhere. I only searched eBay by the barcode, so that's probably part of that issue. Got these books were $1 each. One of them was worth 15 on Amazon. The other one was worth like 12. Let's see. I had a bad rank, 200 and some thousand on Amazon for 50 cents. What the heck? Right. That's another book. I think I make $3 on it. This one, I don't know if it works or not. It plugs in like mine out in the van, so I'm gonna go check in just a minute. It was half price of 50 cents, so it was $1. If it works, it's worth 30 or 40 bucks. This guy here doesn't look like a lot, but it is I don't know if it's supposed to have anything there or not. I need to check and see. But it's a Gravis PC gamepad. As long as it's not missing anything over there, which I'm not 100% sure. Never been a gamer because games make me sick. I am the one that when you look at when video games comes up and says all the flashing light colors could cause headaches and all that other stuff. Yeah, sorry, that's me, guys. So I've never been a gamer because of that. Let's see, what else do we have in the bag? This soap opera challenge game. It's new. It was 50 cents. It sells for 25 bucks. It ranks 500,000 on Amazon, but for 50 cents. Right. Was there anything else in that lot? I got a Sony remote because, you know, Sony sells. I got a flip phone. It's an AT&T Samsung flip phone. It's a little cheap one. The power cord's with it, so I'll get it listed. I'm not sure. It got thrown in with everything else. The VCR, for $10, I got the VCR, the TomTom, the extra remote, the phone. Actually, she said $8. It was the remote and the phone were $1 together, so 50 cents. Let's see. I don't know what the hell this was. It's a Simpson, some kind of voltmeter. It's $5. It doesn't. I don't have the little things. I still think it's worth $30. Interesting, right? Right on. Is that it? Does anybody see anything else new in this big pile of junk over here? Oh yeah, y'all see it over there? So Harlan and I were at a yard sale that I got the guitars at, and this Titleist bag was sitting here just like this, $5. I'm like, man, that's nicer than my bag. Maybe I'll get it and replace my bag with it. For $5, it's a Titleist. So we get it to the van. The lady had said, I don't think my kids used it. You know, it's in nice shape, right? Everybody see how nice a shape it is? Harlan was about to throw it in the van. He goes, you know that damn thing's got tags on it, right? Look at the price. Suggested resale price, $210 for this Titleist bag. I paid $5 for it. Brand new at a yard sale. It's what's called a cart bag. Some bags have the legs that kick out here, and they be carry bags. But this one is a bigger bag. It has several more. The cart bags have if you're looking in here, the more defined holes and stuff. Carry bags just have like a section here, one in the middle and one in the end, but all the clubs are kind of together. They're not forward off like this. There'd be one hole here, and one here, and one here. But anyway, that was probably the best deal of the day for $5 for a Titleist bag with tags. How could I forget that thing hiding over here? Because I'm trying to figure out how in the world to get it. Get pictures of it. I'm probably just gonna have to take them outside. This is that My Book Essential. That's the one that I got with the other Wii. I'm over there currently trying to break into it because it's password protected. So wish me luck with the password protection, because I don't care about anything on it. I'm just wiping it out, but it's not even allowing me to wipe it out right now. I ran into Stephen Ross. You guys see him in the chat every now and then. He lives on the other side of town. Harlan and I ran into him. We were in the van driving. I'm like, I guess you're going to Steven's side of town. It's probably about time to run into Steven. Very next yard sale. Hey, buddy. Man, I had just talked you up, Steven. So that was kind of freaky. But yeah, that kind of stuff happens a lot. So, but he got the same one. They had two of them, so he got one, I got one. And so I've sent him a message saying, has he broken into his yet? Hope maybe he'll be better at breaking into it than I am. So this is what I'm up to today. I'm gonna get all this listed. I've got to test. Oh, that came with that Wii in the $20. I paid $5 for this unit set. Yeah, I know. I swore off of it because of that. That right there. It was just a handset. There's no bottom to it. The last one of these I got $150 for this and the handset. So I got to figure out how to charge it. I've got one over there. I've got a base over there of a different model. Maybe it'll work. If not, I'll sell it as is. But just that by itself should be worth $50 or $60. It's the Uniden submersible. If they're either yellow or orange, you see the word submersible right there. Do not leave these laying around, because they are absolute gold. Like I said, I got $150 for just the handset. They are also tough too. This is a rubberized on the end of it, so that they take a pretty good beating. They float. They go underwater. I guess a lot of people use them in their pools or whatever you want to do with them, but do not sleep on this one. That's a good one. That's just a regular Uniden 6.0 with, I don't know, the handsets. Do they look the same? That one and that one. I don't know. It was worth $5 for sure. It looks like I've got two phones. Looks like, oh hell no. Hey guys, see how the funky is on the bottom in there? That's how you can tell that it goes to this one. Hey, I've got the base. That's probably worth $75. Nice. I'm glad y'all are here to see the light come on. Hey, let's go over here and plug it in and see what happens. I sold it. You'll see this tomorrow in the video. I sold the Coca Latte. I sold those shoes. I got 54 for the shoes. I got 35 for the Coca Latte. All right, big bucks, no whammies. We got a red light. Red light. Come on, baby, charge. Come on. All right, 20 minutes later, you can see the red light is still on, and now it's searching for a signal. But the important part is the little battery going up and down. It's actually the battery's charging, so this unit is going to be a great one. It will be listed today. That one needs a new battery. I will order the battery for it today, because that one is worth about the same amount of money. But it's not worth a damn thing in my garage, right? Right on, right on. All right. Back to more insanity. All right, as you can see, it's got an iPod in this thing. I do have it turned off right the second, or the music pause, because I don't want to get a copyright strike. But you can see the lights are on. This thing sounds really, really nice. I've had a couple of the smaller ones, but this one with the larger speakers in it, it carries a lot of bass. It's actually got their, Sony loves to do mega bass. I don't know how good you guys can see the mega bass. We'll put you down. But I don't know if that'll focus or not. But we'll do a sample just before I get a copyright strike. She turned this house into... I know y'all want to hear some country music just blasting at you. This right here is all the Amazon stuff. As you can see, except for the damn tree dazzler, because the heck with that company right there. All this is going in tomorrow. I'm not sure if UPS runs tomorrow. Tomorrow's Veterans Day, but so let me get to work. I'm gonna get all these things pictured. I'm gonna get all these listed. I'm gonna sprinkle these into the video. I hope you guys are having a great Saturday. Damn it! I hope you guys are having a great Sunday. Maybe I can learn how to edit that out and make it look like I was smart. That'd be a lot of looking right there. I'm here to tell you. I do have 11 things that I need to send out. VCR is already packed up. I did sell a VCR for $50. So I'm gonna come over here. I'm gonna start taking pictures. I'm gonna get this stuff listed. I'm gonna sprinkle them in there. And oh, forgot one thing. I actually forgot two things. All right. This box right here says it's a box of envelopes. They are that's gonna make for a great video right there. They are envelopes. They're self-sealed. 500 of them. They were $2. I gave $1 for them, and I gave $5 for this thing here. You can see the seal is still on there. Hopefully, I'm not making you guys motion sick with all this moving around. It is a pretzel maker. It sells for like $33, $34, but this kind of stuff goes really well at Christmas. So anything kitchen related to $5 new, I'll pick up and give it a shot. I'll just throw it in a poly bag and mail it like it is. So yeah, all right. There was our last two items that I probably missed some other stuff too. Hell, my organization, I know it leaves a lot to be desired. But anyway, if you can't laugh at yourself, I'm gonna go test this Escort radar detector, see if it works, and then start listing. All right. Hope you guys are having a great Sunday. I hope you guys are listing. I hope you guys are gonna watch Fortunes in Reselling tonight. What's the topic? Damned if I know. Whose channel? Either mine or Lauren's. If Lauren can't host, it'll be on my channel. So, but by the time you see this, you'll already watch that probably. And I hope we were entertaining and brought some knowledge. All right, so a complete change of plans. That passport works for $30. Where am I paid $25 for it. Where am I gonna find another one to put in the other van? I thought to myself, are you gonna slow down anytime soon? Not really. So for $25, I'm gonna buy a power cord and a window mount, a mirror mount, and I'm gonna put this in the blue van. So ixnay on the selling this joker. It actually works. Passport's a good name. I'll give it a good test around town once I get it hooked up into the blue van. But yeah, we're not selling that one. We're actually putting that in the other van because I'm not going to slow down. So yeah. All right. Well, that was a different look at a haul video. Tried to change things up just so everything's not the same boring video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you learned something. And I got a few things listed, so win-win. See you guys in the next one.